come here, ma'am. Get that guy in the truck, you guys. He's being an idiot. We're gonna bring her over here so we can talk to her. Since she did run... Oh my gosh. This might be the worst first traffic stop ever. Let's see how this happened. Almost. Right there. Lighten them up. Let's go, chat. That's the car. If he starts running, it's on. Pull over! Pull over! I think I'm gonna pull in front of him. Go, lady. Go, lady. You got him? Oh my gosh. You can't. There's another version where you can. It's supposed to like lock on them or something like that. I don't know. I'd have to see how to do it. She just hit my damn car. Wait. Joining, it says. Okay, hold on. Wait, what? It just locked me onto a different damn call. Oh, hell no. She ain't getting away. I'm going freaking crazy on this chick. Dang, she bouncing quick. I see her still on the mini-map. Can I get a helicopter? I don't know if that works. Shit. Call me a car. Okay, I'm pulling in front of her. Come on. There we go.
Let me see those hands.
Some of us have places to go.
Oh, wait. Traffic control.
Probably flunked out of school.
Traffic control. Wait.
Shit.
Traffic stop. Traffic stop. Bro, this guy's gonna make me mad. Hey, dispatch. Traffic stop.
Shit dick. You hear me? Shit dick.
I think I did the wrong one.
Backup required on Great
Panic?
Ocean Highway.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna get crazy right now.
Acknowledge. Sector 13. We're at the little coffee shop around the corner.
Alright, well, let's just sit there.
Copy. We'll
Let's
check it
move her
out.
out of the way.
Copy dispatch. Item 4 en route.
You come here, ma'am. Get that guy in the truck, you guys. He's being an idiot. We're gonna bring her over here so we can talk to her. Since she did run... Oh!
Dispatch, we got eyes on the front. I got you covered!
I did not mean to do that. Everything's good. She fell.
How are you?
I punched her in the back of the head. Can I get an EMT? Or EMS? Yo, can I get a BLT? No. Can I get an EMS? Oh my god.
Ambulance. Assistance required in Van Ham Canyon.
Dude. Now we got a lawsuit on our hand. Damn. Oh my gosh, I punched her in the back of the head. And everyone was here to see it. Okay, what do I do with my hands? I don't know. Oh, is that my sergeant?
We need backup.
Is he mocking me?
Yeah, no kidding.
Thank you.
Come on, people, let's do it.
I didn't mean to.
Man, what a disaster.
I didn't mean to. I hit the wrong button. Oh my gosh. I killed her. Why is she laying down like that?
The fuck was that?
Hey! Wait, she's back. Okay. She's back. Are you alright, ma'am? Wait.
Whoa!
LSPD, get down on the ground!
Oh my gosh.
You're good to go.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, hold on. Can I get a tow truck? I cannot believe I just smacked her. Okay, a large tow truck. No, not for the cop car. This is what happens when you don't know all the call phrases. I'm gonna get off the road and pull her car off the road. What a fiasco. Okay, wait, I'm code 4. I think that's gonna call all of them off. I'm code 4.
Attention all units. Code
Okay.
4. No further units required.
Oh my gosh, that was hilarious.